Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Peugeot 107. So this car's only had one owner. It comes with 14-inch alloy wheels, air conditioning, it's got a radio with CD player, but it also is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has full service history. It's got a 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 67 horsepower and it's done under 58,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.